Lot number 112 is a 2005 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This one appears to have a bad fuel pump. It's been out of service for over a year. I connected my jump box to it. It turns over, did not start. Sprayed it with starting fluid. It started and shut off quickly. So I poured a little fuel directly into the intake, and I was able to keep it running for about a minute or so. Drove it out of the parking spot, and automatic transmission engages. The engine sounds good, and the AC blows cold. AC compressor engages and AC blows cold. So again, I only kept it running for about a minute. It does have a bad fuel pump. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up right now so you can hear. I'll pour a little fuel directly into the intake. And please do not try this at home. I'm gonna hit the key now, and it should run for a few seconds, enough for you to hear the engine, and then I'll give you a walk around and show you the rest of the body. Engine sounds good. AC compressor engaged. Automatic transmission engages. I drove it here in the parking lot, moved it out of the parking spot. There's the AC compressor. Maybe low on Freon. Been sitting around for about a year. Engine sounds good. Battery's completely dead. The alternator is charging. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off so that I can put it back in the parking spot. Engine sounds good. The body is straight. The paint is peeling and faded. It shows surface rust. Minor dents and scratches all around. Headlights are dull. Bumpers are very faded. Golf ball sized dent on driver's side fender. All matching hubcaps. And the tires on this one look good. They look fair. It's been sitting around for about a year, but the tires look good. I didn't put air in them. They're hold air and they don't show any cracks as far as I can see. Tires look fair. It's missing all the rubber moldings on the door. You can see they have peeled off. Tinted windows are peeling. The roof shows surface rust. The hood shows a lot of paint peeling. Faded bumpers. Taillights look good. Trunk lid has a drilled hole from an antenna that's still in place. Minor dents along the passenger side. Tires look good. Straight body, missing the moldings. Now let's look inside. Interior shows normal wear. Passenger door panel looks good. The dashboard is not cracked, but it does look faded. The trim on the dashboard is cracked. Passenger seat looks good. Driver's seat is torn. Rear seat is black vinyl, and it appears to be in good shape. Both rear door panels look good. Headliner and rubber mat on the floor still look good. It's got a dent on the rear driver's side door. You can see right there, baseball sized dent. And it's got multiple scratches. Oh, this door is locked. Here's the driver's side rear door panel, looks good. Black vinyl rear seat looks good. Headliner, rubber mat on the floor, all look good. Driver door panel looks faded. It's got a screw holding down the window controls, and the driver's seat is torn down in the corners. The steering wheel is worn. This one does not show me the hours, but there are the miles. 144,116 miles. All right, there you have it. It's an old Crown Vic. These are getting hard to come by. The body is straight. The interior still looks fair. It will need a fuel pump. It will need a fuel pump, but the engine sounds good. It's got 149,000 original miles. It's lot number 112. Good luck.